Are you washing your hair tonight? Or would you like to go out with me? The word for free, F-R-E-E, as in unoccupied, is libre. The letter I is an E sound in French. Libre. Libre, not libre. Libre. Clip the ending. Libre, 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 like the Statue of Liberty. Libre. The toilet. La toilette. La toilette. The toilet is free as in unoccupied. La toilette est libre. La toilette est libre. Is. I. Spelled E-S-T. You can't hear the S and you can't hear the T. That's French for you. I. Is not or isn't. N'est pas. N'est pas. So is I. Isn't. N'est pas. N'est pas. N'est pas. The toilet isn't free, as in it's not unoccupied. La toilette n'est pas libre. La toilette n'est pas libre. N'est pas, n'est pas, n'est pas, isn't, n'est pas. Occupied, as in busy. This can mean somebody's in the toilet or you are actually busy with lots of things to do. Occupé, occupé, occupé. Okay, occupied, busy, occupé. The toilet. La toilette. The toilet is occupied. It's busy. La toilette est occupée. You can join that T to the O. You can do the liaison. You don't have to. You could say la toilette est occupée. Or you can do the liaison where you join the T. Almost sounds like it's at the beginning of occupé. La toilette est occupée. The toilet isn't occupied, isn't busy. So it becomes n'est pas now, n'est pas. La toilette n'est pas occupée. You can join the S to the O with a Z sound. La toilette n'est pas occupée. You don't have to do that. You could say la toilette n'est pas occupée. The chair. La chaise. La chaise. Again, your S is between two vowels here, which gives it a Z sound. La chaise. The chair is occupied. Hands off! La chaise est occupée. La chaise est occupée. La chaise est occupée. The chair is free. La chaise est libre. The letter I is E. Libre. Libre. La chaise est libre. Go ahead. Do you want to go to bed with me this evening? Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Okay, coucher, literally to lie down. If you want to speak to your dog in French, tell him or her to lie down. Coucher, coucher, coucher. So how do you say this evening? Do you want to go to bed with me this evening? Ce soir. Ce. You've got that frowny E again. That when it's at the end of a syllable, there's only one syllable here. Ce soir. Wa. Ce soir. Ce soir. Ce soir. So, because the word soir is masculine, the word for this is ce. But if your next word were to be feminine, the word for this would become cette, C-E-T-T-E. We've got masculine ce, feminine cette. For this thing or this person has to be followed by a noun. This chair, chair is feminine. Cette chaise, cette chaise. This evening, ce soir. This chair, cette chaise. Ce and cette for this. Also means that actually, that thing or that person. This chair is free, as in unoccupied. Cette chaise est libre. Cette chaise est libre. This chair is free. Questioning voice, eyebrows. This chair is unoccupied. Huh? Same words, different tone, eyebrows up. Cette chaise est libre. Is this chair free? As in, is it that it is free? Est-ce que cette chaise est libre? This chair isn't free. This chair isn't unoccupied. Is, it, isn't, n'est pas, n'est pas. Cette chaise n'est pas libre. 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 Non!